I tested the ECOVACS WinBot W3 OMNI, a robotic window cleaner that I tested on every window that I could find to see if it's as good as they say it is. So does the WinBot do a quality clean, and is it really less work than cleaning your windows manually? Let's get into it. So rewind for a second and let me explain what this box actually is. This is the WinBot OMNI base station, a convenient carrying case for the WinBot that not only stores the WinBot on the back, but provides the battery power and all of the controls for the WinBot. You might say it looks like a miniature washing machine, and you'd be right, because the front compartment is used to wash the mopping pads autonomously for you, with clean and dirty water tanks in the base to provide a continuous clean. Taking a closer look at the WinBot, on the front you have a power button to initiate the suction and cleaning, a handle, and a compartment for the cleaning solution. On the back you have the detachable mop pad, a fan, suction sensors, the driving wheels with self-cleaning brushes, and a liquid level indicator. The WinBot comes with a variety of additional products including a spare mopping pad, ECOVACS cleaning solution, and a battery pack to provide extra power. Together this closes the loop on automatic window cleaning and makes it the global #1 robotic window cleaner. So, how does it work? So setting this thing up is easy. Press the power button on the base to wake the WinBot. Make sure clean water is added to the base station tank. Add the cleaning solution to the WinBot in the dedicated compartment. Put the cleaning pad into the front compartment to automatically wet the pad before starting. Next, install the pad on the WinBot. Finally, to get started, firmly press the WinBot against a window and press the power button for 2 seconds. The WinBot will begin suction and immediately start cleaning. In my first test, I used my sliding glass door. The WinBot begins suction immediately and rises to the top corner of the window. From there, it traces tightly along the edge of the window thanks to the True Edge technology that provides active pressure and 1.1mm edge reach. As the WinBot continues to clean, it uses a 3-nozzle wide-angle spray to clean the surrounding area and then immediately wipes the area. The WinBot includes a second 3-nozzle on the opposite side so that it can clean in both directions without needing to turn around as it makes its way down the window. From there, the WinBot does a second vertical pass to ensure a complete clean. After cleaning, the WinBot stays suctioned to the window for up to 30 minutes until I return to release it with the press of a button. And with the press of a button, I can reel in the entire cord for a compact overall station. After cleaning, the WinBot pad can be released and put into the washing station, which includes a series of brushes ready to clean the wiping pad. After putting the pad into the base station, with the press of a button, it immediately begins a washing cycle using the clean water in the Omni station with no need to touch the pads or rinse them by hand. This process on a standard cycle takes 1 minute to do a full clean. After that, it's ready to clean the next window. I think one of the best benefits to the WinBot is cleaning exterior windows because they're either harder to reach or they're just a lot dirtier. So in this test, we did the outside of my sliding glass door. It continues to clean the exterior window in a horizontal pattern, dynamically adapting to clean around the handle, then followed by a vertical pattern. And the result here is a window that is completely clean and streak-free on both sides, which looks incredible. It's amazing to see how easy the WinBot makes it to clean your windows. But it's worth noting that it can be used to clean a variety of different surfaces, like in this example where I used it to clean all of the large mirrors in my gym. It was easily able to clean, and all I had to do was shift it from mirror to mirror and just let it do its full clean. For more details on the limitations to what this can clean, use the chapters to jump to limitations. I even tested the WinBot on smaller windows around my house where it was able to effectively clean in a short time. And you can see in this example, the WinBot is able to dynamically respond to the locks on the window and trace around them to continue for a total clean. It continued to do a great job cleaning my front door, and all I had to do was place it on the window. And it's worth noting that the WinBot includes a variety of cleaning options that you can toggle either on the base or through the app, including fast, thorough, edge, spot, heavy duty, or zone cleaning depending on your preference. One important thing to note about the WinBot is its 12-tier safety system that protects it from falling or detaching. It includes anti-drop protection, using the 10-kilogram weighted station as a solid base, plus 800 newtons of suction, which allows it to stay firmly in place, and also includes power-off protection where it remains attached for 30 minutes until you release it. The compound cable is sturdy and durable, and also includes a safety strap in the base to tether the WinBot if it needs to be secured while cleaning. The base station also includes dual power modes for a traditional wall outlet connection to power, or a battery, which is optional but can also work as a standalone power or a backup if the power goes out, as an additional safety measure. Now, last time I did a review of one of these WinBots, you had a lot of questions. So this time I wanted to address the clear limitations that apply and let you know if the WinBot is actually right for you. First, ECOVACS recommends using the ECOVACS WinBot cleaning solution, and they note that if you run out, water can temporarily be used, but states that the cleaning solution will yield better results. In the base station, only water should be used without additional cleaning solutions, as they can cause the mopping pad to become slippery. When cleaning, the WinBot shouldn't be used on windows with heavy condensation, oil stains, or temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius. Some limitations also apply to the type of windows that you should use. For example, windows or mirrors with slight cracks should not be used, as they will disrupt the suction lock. The WinBot can't be used with curved glass. Lastly, limited by the compound cable, the maximum length WinBot can reach is dimensions of 8 meters by 2.5 meters, though you could technically still perform spot cleaning along a larger window to complete it in phased sections. Still, none of these limitations directly affected my tests on common household windows. The Omni base station includes a variety of controls that let you go completely app-free. You can toggle between cleaning modes with the press of a button. You can see the status of the cleaning or washing. You can press a button to retract the wire in a tangle-free retraction. It's incredible that this has an app, but you never actually need to use it if you don't want to. But if you do want to use the app, it allows you to quickly check the battery level or the status of the cleaning, sort through all of the different cleaning modes, and even a remote control option. For the base station, you can set the wash cycle from standard, heavy duty, or self-clean. It's a great app, but thanks to the ease of the buttons directly on the Omni station, I've never actually needed to use it. Overall, the WinBot is a small robot that makes window cleaning easier. The latest Omni station takes it even further with the ability to use clean water stored in the base to wash the mopping pads in just 1 minute. The battery backup makes it flexible to use either plugged into power or on the go. It's a refined robot window cleaner that's suitable for all of the windows and mirrors in my home. If you have questions that I didn't answer in this review, let me know them down in the comments. Thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.